Hello everyone, here is a question: how to make the best use of 24 hours a day? This is one of the toughest questions to answer. Here are some thoughts. Although people may have different opinions and perspective from their real life experience, whether child or adult, man or woman, married or unmarried, educated or uneducated, rich or poor, we are each given 24 hours a day. There is no question about it. We also know that time is very precious and unstoppable. Time is very important because what we are today and what we will become tomorrow depend on how we use our time today. Time is virtual essence of our lives that lets us gather information, meet people, work and make money by using energy and recharge through sleep and rest. One of the fundamental aspects of valuing your time is to understand that 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 24. We all have 24 hours a day. Although it is not easy to apply, you may be able to manage at least 2 hours of personal time every day for yourself. For example, 8 to 10 hours of work, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, 2 to 4 hours for family or personal time. It is up to every individual to make this happen. If you keep practicing every single day, trying to manage your time wisely, then it will likely become habitual. I hope you find this information helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.